Albert and Empower both offer early access to cash, but they are built on different systems. Albert focuses on small cash advances linked to your bank account activity. Empower is a broader finance app that combines cash advances with budgeting tools and spending features. That difference affects approval, speed, and how often you can actually access money. By the end, you'll know how each app handles cash advances, what makes approval easier or harder, and which one fits better depending on how often you need short-term cash. Albert works by connecting to your bank account. It analyzes your income patterns and spending behavior to decide if you qualify for a cash advance. If you qualify, you can request a small amount directly in the app without going through a traditional loan process. The focus is simplicity and fast access. Empower also uses bank data, but the structure is more feature-heavy. It combines cash advances with budgeting tools, spending insights, and account management features. That means the cash advance feature sits inside a larger financial system instead of being the only focus. Now break down the key difference in experience. Albert feels like a direct cash advance tool. You open the app, check eligibility, and request funds if available. The process is simple and centered around quick access. Empower feels more like a financial dashboard. You still get cash advances, but you're also managing spending insights and account features at the same time. That adds more context, but also more steps inside the app. Now talk about approval behavior. Albert mainly looks at your bank activity and income consistency. Stable deposits usually improve your chances of qualifying for advances. Empower also looks at account activity, but because it includes more financial features, your usage of the app can influence how the system interacts with your account over time. Now the real trade-off. Albert is built for speed and simplicity. Empower is built for broader money management with cash advances as one part of the system. So the choice depends on your goal. If you want a straightforward app that focuses on quick cash access with minimal setup, Albert fits better. If you want a more complete financial app that includes budgeting tools along with cash advances, Empower makes more sense. Here's the simple breakdown. Albert is simpler and more direct. Empower is more feature-rich and layered. Both rely on bank activity, but they serve different styles of users. Do this next. Think about how often you need cash advances and whether you want a focused tool or a full financial system. Then compare how much time you want to spend inside the app, managing features. If simplicity matters most, Albert is the cleaner option. If you want more financial tools in one place, Empower is the stronger choice.